Hi, I'm Poppy. Welcome to my cupcake shop. I am so glad you're here. It is such a busy day at the cupcake shop. I could really use your help making cupcakes. Will you help me? You will? Okay, here's all of the things you need. An apron to keep your clothes clean, a bowl to mix everything together, oven mitts to protect your hands, and a spoon to mix everything together. Now we're ready to make the cupcakes. Here's all of the ingredients we need to make my famous cupcakes. First, you need some butter, then flour, sugar, and then some eggs. You mix everything together, and when it's done, you put it in the oven. Hey, my friends are making some cupcakes today too. Should we go and see? Come on, let's go. Here they are, mixing all of the ingredients together in a bowl. It looks like they're making chocolate cupcakes. Then they scoop the batter into the cupcake tins. When it's done, they put it in the oven to bake. When it's done baking, they take the cupcakes out to let them cool. Then they put all of the frosting on top of the cupcakes. Those cupcakes look so good. We have many different kinds of cupcakes at my cupcake shop. We have 3 different kinds of cupcakes to choose from. We have strawberry cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes, and vanilla cupcakes. We also have many different kinds of frosting. First, we have yellow frosting, purple frosting, pink frosting, blue frosting, orange frosting, and green frosting. We also have many different colors of sprinkles. There's orange, pink, green, yellow, purple, and blue. We also have lots of juicy, red, delicious cherries to put on top. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, it sounds like there's an order. Hello, this is Poppy. How can I help you? Yes, I would like a strawberry cupcake with yellow frosting and green sprinkles, please. Yes, of course, we'll make that right away for you. Okay, let's make Mr. Bear's cupcake. Let's see, he wanted a strawberry cupcake. Do you see the strawberry one? Yes, there it is. Let's go ahead and pick up the strawberry cupcake and put it right on our cupcake stand to put on all of the frosting. Let's see. Mr. Bear said he wanted yellow frosting. Yes. Do you see the yellow one? There it is. Let's pick up the frosting and put it on top of our pink strawberry cupcake. Perfect. Now for the sprinkles. Mr. Bear wanted green sprinkles. Do you see them? Yeah, there they are. Let's pick up a handful and sprinkle it right on top of our yellow frosting. Perfect. Mr. Bear's ready to have his cupcake. Let's deliver it. He lives in the blue house. Do you see it? Yes, there's the blue house. Let's take Mr. Bear's cupcake there. Hi, Mr. Bear. Here's your cupcake. Enjoy. Wow, it looks like Mr. Bear loves his cupcake. He's gobbling it right up. Ring, 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 ring. Another order. Hello, this is Poppy. How can I help you? Yes, I would like a vanilla cupcake with blue frosting and pink sprinkles, please. Okay, we'll have that ready for you in a jiffy. All right, let's make Mr. Squirrel's cupcake. Let's see, he wants a vanilla cupcake. Do you see it? Yes, there it is. That's a vanilla cupcake. Let's pick it up and put it onto our blue cupcake stand. There we go. Now for the frosting. Let's see. Mr. Squirrel said he wanted blue frosting. Do you see the blue frosting? Yeah, there it is. Good job. Let's go ahead and swirl that blue frosting right on top of our vanilla cupcake. Perfect. Now for the sprinkles. Mr. Squirrel said he wanted pink sprinkles. Do you see the pink ones? Yeah, there they are. Let's pick up a handful and sprinkle them right on top. Perfect. Mr. Squirrel's cupcake is ready to be delivered. Let's see. Mr. Squirrel lives in the red apple tree. Do you see the red apple tree? Yeah, there it is. Let's deliver Mr. Squirrel's cupcake there. Here you go, Mr. Squirrel. Here's your cupcake. Enjoy. Wow, it looks like Mr. Squirrel really loves his cupcake. He gobbled it right up. Ring, 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 ring. Another order. Hi, this is Poppy. How can I help you? Yes, I would like one chocolate cupcake with purple frosting and orange sprinkles, please. Of course, we'll have that ready for you right in 1 second. Okay, let's make Mr. Rabbit's cupcake. Let's see, he said he wanted a chocolate cupcake. Do you see it? Yeah, there it is. Let's pick that up and put it right on our blue cupcake stand. There we go. Now for the frosting. Mr. Rabbit wanted purple frosting. Do you see it? Yeah, there it is, the purple frosting. Let's whip that right onto our chocolate cupcake. Perfect. Now for the sprinkles. He wanted orange. Do you see them? Yes, there they are. Grab a handful and sprinkle them right on top of our purple frosting. Perfect. Mr. Rabbit's cupcake is ready to be delivered. Okay, Mr. Rabbit lives in the yellow house. Do you see it? Yes, there it is, the yellow house. Let's deliver the cupcake there. Here you go, Mr. Rabbit. Here's your delicious cupcake. Enjoy. Wow, Mr. Rabbit loves his cupcake. He's gobbling it right up. Wow, now I'm a little bit hungry. Do you want to help me make my favorite cupcake? Okay, first I get a strawberry cupcake, orange frosting, yellow frosting, green frosting, blue frosting, purple frosting, and pink frosting. And of course, a delicious red cherry on top. My favorite cupcake. I can't wait to eat it. Ring, 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 ring. Oh no, another order. I guess I'll have to wait to eat the cupcake. Thanks so much for helping me today. Great job, little sunshines. Thanks so much for helping in the cupcake shop today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. See you next time, little sunshines.